Hi everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Magic Tiles 3, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Magic Tiles 3. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. But don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.